Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Canva software. So let's get started. So Canva is a photo and video editing tool and made by Canva. So it's a very powerful tool and it is basically a easier tool than the Photoshop. As you can see, this is the Canva website. So to use this, you have to go to the canva.com and then here you have to sign up with your ID. So sign up is free. As you can see, you have to go sign up into this and then you can start editing. So to edit something, here you have to go to the search and you have to search for the template, or you can click on this custom size and you can select your frames also. So here I am showing you example as your YouTube thumbnail. So here I will go and I will search for the YouTube thumbnail, as you can see. So here I am selecting like here this template. So I will just click on this here and it will open the next page. And here we can see the photo. So I can just here you can see here. So from here you can like see the photos and other things. So I am making it like blank. As you can see, it's been like fully blank. So let's start from starting. So here we can see the design. So from here you can like use the some design example. For example, if you want to use this, just click on this and you can use this. So from here you can change the text and the photos also. So for example, if you are making a video as secret you should know, like here I will just go to the text. You have to go to the text and then click on this, add as a subheading, and then you can add like secret you should know about cars, for example, like cars. So to make it attractive, you have to first go to here fonts, and then here you can see many fonts here. So from here you can go to recommended fonts and you can select according to you, and then here you can make it big, and then here you can change the color. So I'm thinking of white, and then you have to click on this effect section and you can create a like slash or the outline type of this. You can color it like black so it's looking nice. You can make it italic and make it somewhat bigger, or you can like tilt it like this, you can see by this tool. So it's looking attractive and like good. So eh, so you can go into elements to insert some elements. For example, if I want to import like cars, some cars type, so here I will just write here cars. So here you can click on this graphic section and from here you can import. So for example, I will import this car and I can like here put it here, and then you can click on this position section, and from the position you can set the layers. Just click on this layer and then we can just put it back like this. So by this way you can do it, and here you can just set it like low. We can do somewhat up like this. It's look good now. So now the photo is looking somewhat good. Now we can go into your like app section. Canva also provides many apps integrated. So now if you want to edit the background, you can click on this background here. Then you can click on the like menu backgrounds and you can edit via this. So if you didn't like any background and if you want to like go back, then you have to click on this button as undo. Then you can see I am on the previous background. So by this way you can change and you can do the experiment. So you can go app into again, and then you can here create the mockups also and do many things. So here you can see the tools like Delhi AI, then here scratch to live, and many other. So you can use according to you, whichever you require. So here I will just go to the magic media, and from here it will create a AI generated photo. So if I click on here, and I will, for example, I search for the cars in red color or yellow color. Let's go with yellow color. Generate picture, and from here it will generate the image for me according to the prompt. So here you can see like many images. For example, if I want to use this, so I will click on this and it will automatically import this. So as you can see, if I want to use this, so I will make it into the back side. So click on this position section, and then here I will put like behind the man, and I will just make it up this letter like this. So it's looking good from previous also. Then you can go into text section, and from here you can choose text that you want to use. For example, this text is looking good, so I will just go it here. So as you can see, this is the pro text, so I cannot use. You can just use another text from here as well. And from here you can edit. For example, I writing about like vans, you can use like vans. If you want to ungroup, you can go like do the ungroup also. And if you want to delete this, you can delete, and you can put it like this way, and you can make it large. Here you have to test and see what looks better. So here you can click on this draw section, and you can draw if you want to draw. For example, if I want to draw like a mark in this text like this, you can also draw like this. You can use your creativity according to you, and you can make it more attractive. Or you can highlight also something. For example, you can see if you want to highlight this, you can use it also. So by this way, you can use it Canva, and it's easy way too. And if you want to import something else, you can also search it from here. For example, if I want to import shapes, I can say it here and it will be done. So by this way you can use it, and after that you can click on the share option and then click on download, and then you can download it and it will be done. So this is how to use Canva, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.